Alright, so we're in the truck, so you know what that means. We're on our way to go pick up the engine block right now. The 6-liter LS2 that I've been working on, I put some cam bearings in it last week, and I just really wasn't happy with how it came out. I got this tool online, and it kind of sucked. Called up my machine shop, took it over there. They knocked it out quick. It's been maybe like 3 days, and we're on our way there right now to pick it up. So hopefully we can get the engine block back together today, and I'm excited. Let's see how it looks. See you in a bit. So here it is. We're at the machine shop. Hey, they're finally moving the weird random thing. I don't even know what that is. Here. Alright, so here's the LS2. Went to the machine shop to get the cam bearings worked on. And as you can see, they look freaking beautiful. They're all clocked perfectly. Bores have already been gone over. So after another cleanup, this will be ready to go. About to meet up Devon, and we're gonna go diagnose a Nissan Sentra, but afterwards we'll probably come back and do this. So keep viewing. Also, I was talking about the LS1 being savable earlier. If that's the case, it might end up in the Camaro here, which would be a very neat little car. All right, see you guys later.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we're here taking a look at a car right now. It's got a crank but no start issue. We have already we've already tested fuel. It's getting fuel.
It's getting a lot of fuel for a bit.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of fuel. So now we're taking a look at ignition. It's got a very, very weak spark with a yellow hue to it. So normally that would point towards ignition module. They did state that they did change the distributor cap and rotor plugs and wires. So we fixed the wires. They were a little off. And we're just taking a look now at the cap and rotor and also the ignition module. We went in and took the voltage on the module. It did read a little bit higher resistance than what we found should. So we're going to do a little bit more research on that, make sure that's are the correct values or incorrect values, and then we can go from there.
I got my LS2.
He did get those too. R from TSP on the left and the stock LS1 cam on the right.
This is kicked over more.
Yeah,
a little wider apart.
You can see the orientation on the lobes.
Yeah, it seems like everything is just a
bigger and
smidge
wider.
further out. Yeah, and the lobe is just way more.
Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, so just wanted to give you an update. So we're just wrapping things up on that Sentra you saw we were working on. We were able to narrow it down to one of two things, so we're going to talk with the owner about that here shortly once he gets here. And then, yeah, we'll know more about that once we talk with him. So, that's it for that.
Some viewers have been asking about the Camaro. Truth is, well, it's sold. So it's gone, and it's just making room for full speed on Trans Am projects. So stay in tune, keep watching.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So yeah, no more Camaro, but hey, you gotta, you know, out with the old, in with the new.
Yeah, I gotta break a few eggs.
And that mosquito's gonna die. Anyway, so yeah, we've been getting eaten up by mosquitoes this whole time. It's been like vicious attacks on our well-being, having our blood evacuated straight from our veins. It's fun stuff.
Camaro.
Well, I mean, that last you guys saw was the first start video, so we did get it running.
Yeah, it did more driving, more fine tuning, and it'd been listed for sale like all summer, and somebody just showed up, made a cash offer, and it was like, all right, I didn't even think twice about it. And they hit me up recently. They seem really happy with it. It's working well for them.
So couldn't ask for a better outcome for that car. So yeah, now it's just on to our other projects and take you guys along for the ride. Alright, well that's it for right now, so you guys keep pushing at it. Have a good day.